Hi, this is Scott again for Casa de Grethel in Flores. Well, I got it up the third time, okay, so don't beat on me. I've been over 50 some odd countries and I'm not fluent in anything outside of a little bit of Russian, a little bit of Swedish, kind of work at English, something. Don't have much French, and the rest of it I just don't have it, okay? I'm not a linguist kind of guy, so you got to forgive me as I make mistakes when I try and say things in my Spanish, English kind of a deal. So you got that out of the way. I'm Scott David Shoot, and my little traveling company is Shoot Extreme. Because I live an extreme life, what can I say? And I like it. I've lived 3 or 4 lifetimes, and I'm not going to stop. I'm going to go until I just blow the wheels right off. I'm going on 70 years old, and I'm having a lot of fun. But I'm here at Flores. I thought I saw a big turtle swim up, but no, it's just a rock. And at Flores, and I'm staying across from the island at Casa de Grethel, which is a little secret that nobody knows about, because most people that come to Flores will stay on island, okay, and that's okay if you like the Cancun, Playa del Carmen atmosphere of, you know, just party down, okay, and a lot of young people, that's kind of what they're looking for, you know, but I like to be able to have that kind of an environment where there's a lot of neat places to eat and don't cost a whole lot of money, but I like to get out of there and I want peace and quiet. So this little well-kept secret where I'm staying right now, Casa de Grethel, is such a place, okay? Like I said, the island's right behind me. Now, there's a boat launch right here, which you'll see later on in the video presentation, but and it takes about, what, 4 or 5 minutes to get over to the island. They give you back and forth for free, and if you miss the boat that's from the resort here, I call it a resort, and they call it a hostel. Wait till you see inside it. You'll go, hey, that is really nice. Brand new beds. It's just immaculate. And bienvenidos a Casa de Grethel.
Hola, mi nombre es Saraí. Búscame cuando estés en Flores para ayudarte aquí a llegar al hostal. Adiós.
Maybe a couple